Welcome back to another POV adventure with A2RC. What you're looking at is the speedrun area. It's been raining a lot over the past couple of weeks, and this entire area, I don't know how many acres this is at. It's a lake now. If you look at these football or soccer goals, it looks like they're at least 3 foot deep in this area, and this is one of the taller sections. If you look straight back over there, I don't know exactly how far away that is. Maybe 400 yards or something like that is where the road for the speed runs that I do are. It looks like for the next number of months, we're not gonna be able to use this spot for speed runs. Today we were gonna bring out the R40, excited about it. It's a great, wonderful spring day. It's about, I don't know, just under 70 Fahrenheit, maybe like 68, and it's gonna creep up to about 75 today. But this is absolutely amazing and ridiculous and sad all at the same time. I've never seen this area like this. I'm sure in years past, it's flooded before, but not like this. Comes all the way up to this gate. I don't know if you can see all the way out there, but there's a stop sign just peeking out straight ahead of us. Absolutely amazing. Now, for folks that have boats in the area, especially Nitro boats, bring it out. This would be absolutely perfect. Smooth glass, brand new lake. I just wanted to bring this to you, share something with you for today. Just a short, quick POV adventure with A2RC. No running here today. That's unfortunate, but a pretty epic sight nonetheless. Thanks for joining me. If you like 10 scale, Nitro, and especially touring cars, maybe boats today, then feel free to like, share, and subscribe. And thanks for taking the adventure with me.